Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Velar Edition. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 7-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the light oyster perforated grained leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 31,409 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Apple Carplay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring you always travel comfortably. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Velar Edition. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.